Algebra 2 Study Guide, Unit 7, Problems 7 through 9. So here we need to find coterminal angles. So you'll need to find one positive and one negative angle. A coterminal angle is an angle that begins and ends in the same position as the given angle. So it is one rotation away, or 360 degrees. So that's what you can do to find it. You can add 360 degrees and subtract until you have a positive or negative coterminal angle. So for number 7, it's 230 degrees. So you can add 360 to get 590 degrees, which would be a positive coterminal angle, and then you can subtract 360 to get negative 130 degrees, which would be a negative coterminal angle, an angle that begins and ends in the same position. Now for number 8, it will probably be easiest for you if you convert that angle in radians to degree. So take it times 180 over pi, and then you'll see that that is a 270 degree angle. So add 360 to get your positive coterminal angle, so 630 degrees, and then subtract 360 from 270 for a negative coterminal angle. Again, those are angles that begin and end in the same location as your original angle. Now number 9 is 620 degrees, so it is over one rotation. So I'm going to go ahead and subtract 360 degrees because I can tell I will still be positive, and that is a positive coterminal angle, 260. Then I'm just going to keep subtracting 360 degrees, and I'm in the negatives now. So now I have a negative coterminal angle.